Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Abzo. Today's video is on some of the best offers you can have, especially if you're having an online class or you want to download things very fast in a very short period of time, but very great amount of data you get compared to the amount you have gotten for others. So without talking much, let's get started. Can you hit on the subscribe button to subscribe? It's free of charge, and the notification icon so that you get notified whenever I release a new video. So these offers are on Vodafone. MTN, actually I don't know of any offer that can help best now, but on Vodafone we have two offers, and one is a special offer which is on Vodafone Cash, and if you don't have Vodafone Cash, it's free to register. And you know, on the ongoing promo on Vodafone Cash, you can register for it. Vodafone Cash, you send and receive money for free to all networks. So when you go to Vodafone Cash *110, you select option 3, buy data or airtime, and when you go there we have the special offers. You choose option 3, then either your phone or a different phone. Then you have the 3 main offers here. We have 550 megabytes for 1 city, 60 pesos, 600 megabytes for 2 cities, 15 pesos, and 3 cities, 25 pesos. 3 cities, 25 pesos, you get 1.5 gigabytes. And these are the cool offers. When you have them, it will rather help you than going in for 5 cities, 1 gig. I know a lot of people going on through online classes and right now are complaining of data. So these offers are very cool for you. You can go in for it. I'm not going to subscribe now because I've been using it for a long time now. And one thing about it is, even though it's 1 day, but if you register it today, it will take you to the end of today. Tomorrow, sometimes it even follows up to the end of the day. So sometimes you can use it for 2 days rather than just the 1 day you subscribe. So you can go in for it. The other one is the Vodafone made phone, which is 530. I know they are now expensive, but they've also done them to last longer. And that one is this: pick your made for me offer. We have 8.28 gigabytes for 30 days, that's 20 cities. We have 3.1 gigabytes for 15 days, that's 10 cities, and 4.14 gigabytes for 7 days. I know these ones, they are not good now, but you can check on it from time to time. They release good offers because they change daily. So that was it for this video. If it gave you value, hit on the subscribe button to subscribe, and the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. As I said earlier, my name is Abzo, and I give you the best of content. Till I see you in my next video, it's bye bye.